like the world's connect, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've soared at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All along in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can't count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why you're where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Oh, oh. Count on you to be to ease my world. No asking why you're where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my world with mine. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. All right, that was Count on You. Giving you this next song. Here's a song by Lionel Richie, my favorite and your favorite. This time. Stuck on you, I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. friend. And the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad to stay. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad to stay. This time, little dog, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way you feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad to stay. Oh, here's our next song from Dion Warwick. I-mention nyo na po yung mga friends. Kung nami-miss nyo na po sila, i-mention nyo po sa comment section. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got a chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well, then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Well, you came and opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you. And then for the times when we're apart, where you close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And so by the way, I thank you. Whoa. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure.